Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Last week, we did our weekend walk at Bishan-Ang Park. I'd like to share how we explored this amazing place. As we walk, you can see people everywhere. Some are walking or jogging, others are running fast, and kids are playing happily. It feels so lively here. Look at the big green field and these beautiful tall trees. It is so peaceful and relaxing, just breathing in the fresh air. It feels like the perfect escape from the city's noise. And oh, the flowers! So many colors. And if you listen carefully, you can hear birds chirping. Nature really knows how to calm our minds. There are plenty of places to sit and relax, like these big benches and cute little sitting spots. Families can gather here, chat, or even have a little picnic. It is such a cozy place for everyone. So nice to see people spending quality time here. For those who want to stay active, there is an exercise zone where people can work out. And here is something cool. This is Recycle Hill. It is made from leftover construction materials, showing how we can turn waste into something useful and fun. Isn't it amazing? Now we are crossing the fish and tortoise pond. Look over there. A crane is standing right in the middle, looking so still, like it is posing for a picture. Isn't that beautiful? As we keep walking, the sun is starting to set. The sky is turning orange and pink, and it is just beautiful. Such a perfect way to end the day. It is getting dark now, and we are thinking it is time to head back home. But this walk was so pleasant, I didn't even notice how much time passed. I really recommend you visit Bishan-Ang Park if you are looking for a peaceful and fun place to relax. Hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and tell me where you spend your weekend. Have a great day and see you next time.